Hey everyone, this is going to be a very quick review on the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil Relaxer. And they have two relaxers. They have a regular one and then they have the Argan Oil, Cream of Nature does. And so this is the one that I decided to purchase. Now, I thought the relaxer did very good, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's in the box. I've already used it. I did the relaxer yesterday. Um, the relaxer itself comes in there, and then of course the shampoo and conditioner. And one thing I wanted to say about the shampoo, it was a creamy pearly green color, and it also flowed out of the bottle really easily. Like some of the relaxers, the shampoo that comes in there, it's like it comes out so slow, but this it like was really creamy texture that I like that about it. And the conditioner, I thought that was really good, and it smells like this. It smells like uh the one and only argan oil. There's a glare on there, but it smells like that, and it smells really good to me. And of course, it came with like the instructions, the gloves, and the spatula, the activator as well, and it also came with two extra things in it. It came with a little sample of the perfect edges, which I use the organic root stimulator edge control, but this is their version of it. And it also came with a little pack of gloss and shine polisher, which I just like to use the Cream of Nature with argan oil sheen because that smells really good. Now that I've let you see what all is in the box, I like to do my reviews one day after my relaxer because some days I I think a relaxer did good, and then the next day I'm like, okay, it didn't do so good. So I like to do my reviews now. So you're seeing the results just now, and so am I, because I don't know how it's gonna do. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna undo my wrap. I'm gonna comb my wrap out and see how well the relaxer did. So far, so good. Okay, let's put a part. I usually like to wear a part in the side of my hair. That's kind of cricket, but we'll work with that. So, I feel like the relaxer did good because my hair is straight, it's shiny, it's soft, and I just feel like the relaxer did really well. So you guys are just now seeing the results for the first time, and so am I. So these are the results. And again, this was the Cream of Nature with argan oil. See, there's a glare. And this is the regular as well. So let's turn around to the back one more time. Well, Sorry, my computer hibernated. I can't see the back good. So if you have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.